Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Multi Armaina. My ID number 20231065. I'm majoring Natural Science Education, Padang State University. Today I will exploring argument about the global warming. Currently, climate change is one of the major environmental crises to ever happen on the planet. The planet's atmosphere is extremely loaded with warm, trapping gases which threaten massive disruption in climate with severe consequences. The greenhouse gases, which are mainly contributed by carbon dioxide from a blanket-like layer that prevent effective emission of radiation back into the space. When such a layer is formed, there is too much heat on the planet, hence global warming. The global warming is an event that will affect many people and animals all over the world. Humans will be affected the most due to global warming, things like temperature increase. Many people believe in global warming, although some people disagree. Supporters of global warming argue that the global warming is good when the globe to be a little warmer. The one warmer sunshine and less good cool. Moreover, some people believe that the world use greenhouse gases to help capture the sun's energy and keep the earth warm that is needed to sustain life. However, without these greenhouse gases, the earth would reduce to 0 degrees Fahrenheit opponent of global warming. Argue to global warming causing a lot of problems to our society. The belief that pollution may harm crops in some cases it might kill crops because the kind of pollution that can be associated with global warming is carbon dioxide, which is beneficial to crops. In addition, the increase in the population of the world may be affecting use is more one to the previous talk. The increase in population is directly related to global warming based on the fact that as the population increases, global warming is general increase the temperature in the planet due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the ozone layer. With ever increasing industrialization, greenhouse gases are released on a large scale manner to the atmosphere and from a blanket layer that prevents the sunlight from being reflected into the space. Normally, when the rays hit the ground, they are supposed to be reflected back into the space. However, with the presence of a blanket-like layer, the rays are trapped and reflected back to Earth, leading to increase in temperature. Impact of global warming. Global warming is brought with its numerous challenges in the life of both human and animal on Earth. There have been issues of climate change associated with extreme weather conditions. For example, today there are extreme rain that cause flooding and eventually cause destruction of property or even lead to loss of life. On the other hand, global warming has caused extreme drought that may last years. Culminates into poverty because there is lack of sufficient food for the people. Various strategies have been put in place to control the negative effect arising out of global warming. For example, policies have been adopted by different organizations to ensure that there is minimal releases of greenhouse gases. Also, some technologies have been adopted to ensure that greenhouse gas emission is lowered to manageable level. For example, the automobile industry has created hydroelectric vehicles which utilizes green energy. Such a strategy is as important because it minimizes pollution in a greater extent. In addition, some companies have established policies that encourage environmental conservation. For instance, some organizations are encouraging the planting of trees so that it could reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It is believed that many trees help in purifying the the air in the atmosphere. Strategy help in controlling global warming. In conclusion, it can be clearly seen that global warming is really becoming a major problem today. Many life and people property are being lost due to the impact of global warming. For example, extreme weather conditions like too much rain, earthquake, flood, and storm. Also, as a result of extreme weather conditions, prolonged drought have become common, affecting the life of both human and animal in a negative manner. Since food is a means of livelihood, many people are starving because of the issues of prolonged drought. However, many strategies have been proposed to prevent the issues from getting out of hand. Establishment, policies, and law to prevent global warming have received our worldwide attention. For example, there are international policies which specify the amount of greenhouse gas that should be released by a particular company. Thank you.